Hi guys, welcome to our channel Technical Diversity. Today I am going to discuss about how to make how to edit your videos in different software. We will go to my computer. Our video. First of all, I have drag and drop my videos on this software. So I have click here and check my video. Let's intro, drag and drop. Okay, next my videos. So I have going to documents camp. Okay, this video sorry, this video. Yes. Okay, let's can drag and drop on my software in Filmora. So first and second I have drag and drop here, and then I will drag and drop here. Okay, so you can see it. Yes, here you will see here. Okay, I have cut here. Sorry, I have one more clip, drag and drop on. Yes, so I have click here, and then so I have reduced the size of this. Okay, yeah, you looked at. Yes, yes. Okay, I have zoom it, zoom. Yes, you can see. Okay, yes, yeah, I have cut here and select and delete. Now I am going to transitions, click here and drag and drop. Okay, you can see. Okay, and then I have reduced more size and going to yes, you can see. Okay, and select here, select and delete, and then yes, select this layer and click here, cut, and select this path and delete, and then I have make this. Okay, you look here. Okay, actually I have full. Actually yes. Okay, dear students, actually okay, and then you have clicked the export file, and they write this name of file, how to make good thumbnail. Adobe. Okay, and you have select the path when you have when you want to output of this video. Click here, export. You do not change the setting. Okay, export. I hope you will understand my video, how I create my videos and how can I edit my videos.